When does 2 minus 2 equal 4? I will tell you when. When you are stressed, the clock is ticking, and there's only a few minutes left on the SAT. You'd be surprised by how many silly mistakes students make as they race through their math problems, scribbling furiously in the margins of their test booklet. 2 minus 2 equals 4 is a careless, stupid mistake that will cost you precious points. Luckily, there's a simple solution to these simple mistakes. Use a calculator. It'll drastically cut down on these careless errors, and you will save valuable time by skipping tedious long division or complex algebra. So why don't more kids whip out their calculators? Because you have been trained at school to always show your work. But there are no gold stars for doing work by hand on the SAT. Just points gained or lost. Now, I may get run out of town by local math teachers for my pro-calculator stance, but just as learning the steps and understanding the underlying concepts are important for acing your school math test, knowing how to quickly and accurately use a calculator is just as important on the SAT or ACT. There's a time and a place for everything. And this is the time you should be pushing those buttons. So, use your calculator on the SAT and ACT.